It is now 3:15 in the morning. We're driving home from Dixon City.
It's fucking starting to snow.
It's starting to snow. We might die. Or run into a guardrail. That'd be pretty funny. Hey, I want to see it, man.
We're real smart. We passed snowplows. Awesome.
That's because we're hardcore. God damn.
We knew this storm was coming. I just didn't think that it was going to start this early.
It was supposed to start at like 7. Like 8 in the morning.
That's what I thought. Well, I guess the weathermen are wrong. They get paid to fucking suck at life.
I can't even
Let's see what some songs are. Uh-oh.